Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think these school buses that the government has brought in or are in the process of bringing in, do you think they're safe? Well guys, they are safe. You have JUTC buses on the road that are older than 10 years. You have private cars on the road older than 10 years. You have taxis and private buses older than 10 years that are on the road. Now, this school bus system is a game changer for Jamaica. And I'm not sure why they call it the rural school bus system. This system, these buses should be for every school in Jamaica. They should just call it the Jamaica school bus system. Every school should have access to these school buses. Now, the buses are expensive, so obviously you can't start with the entire school system in Jamaica at once. You have to phase it in. So they're starting with the rural schools, 110 buses that cost 1.4 billion Jamaican dollars. And just to give you some perspective, 100 JUTC buses cost $3 billion. So these buses are cheaper than the new JUTC buses. And the government is starting with 110, but they plan to bring in a lot more and expand the number of schools that the service operates to. And hopefully, eventually, they will get to every school in Jamaica. Now, remember, come September, 110 school buses will be on the road. Game changer. But also 100 new JUTC buses will be on the road. So come September, 210 new buses will be on the road. I don't think that number of buses have ever been deployed in the history of the JUTC in Jamaica. These buses will be maintained by the JUTC, the school buses. So I think credit should be given to Minister Vaz because 210 buses in addition to the regular fleet of the JUTC will be rolled out September. Now, a lot of discussion is going on about this school bus system. But remember, parents will only have to pay $50 per trip for the children to use the bus. So to go to school and come home is going to charge the parents $100. Now, I don't know if that is what is causing all of the discussion because that will definitely help. I'm not sure if that will tilt the political spectrum one way. I'm not sure. But I know that these buses are a game changer for Jamaica. And if they were rolled out in a year where there was no election, then I don't think there would be anybody disputing I don't think there would be any discussion about the buses. Because last year, when the JUTC rolled out 100 new buses, I don't think there was this kind of discussion. And the JUTC is rolling out another 100 new buses September 2025. And you didn't hear any big discussion about that. But when the school buses came, and the school buses are to roll out in September 2025, there is so much discussion about it. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, we are here to tell you that the buses are safe. And we are going to, the buses. Okay, there is an article. We're just going to go through a section about the safety of the buses. To address the concerns raised, VAS provided assurances regarding the inspection and certification process of the 110 buses recently purchased. He outlined that the buses were subject to rigorous inspections conducted by multiple authoritative bodies, including the United States Department of Transport, engineers from the Jamaica Urban Transit Company (JUTC), and local fitness evaluation carried out by the Island Traffic Authority. He further noted that each bus carries current inspection decals for 2025 as well as overseas inspection stickers to demonstrate their roadworthiness and compliance with safety standards. So guys, the buses are safe. The buses are safe. So remember now, once you drive a vehicle on the road, anything can happen. JUTC buses break down, JUTC buses meeting accidents, taxis break down, taxis meeting accidents. So anything can happen on the road. But to ask the question, are these buses safe? The answer is yes, they are safe. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.